This is a hidden emoji trick on iPhone that's honestly so cool, and I bet you've never seen it before. So open the Messages app and start a new message. Tap the emoji keyboard icon to open your emojis. Now, here's the trick actually. Tap and hold any emoji. Don't lift your finger. Then, with another finger, pinch in or out to resize the emoji, make it bigger or smaller. You can literally make a giant emoji or a tiny one in seconds. But here's where it gets even cooler. While still holding that emoji, you can drag it out of messages. Switch to another app like Instagram, WhatsApp, or even Photos and drop it there. When you let go, the emoji instantly saves an image in your Photos app. Perfect for creating your own custom emoji stickers or sending them anywhere. So that's the hidden emoji saving trick on iPhone. Super fun, super easy, and most people have no idea it exists. If you loved this one, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's obsessed with emojis.